Hey guys, it's me Tata, and today I will show you how to get bigger lips with lipstick. Subscribe my channel and let's go! First I apply a dark concealer below and above the lips. It figuratively gets bigger the lips. Then make a black lip contour and then darken the corners of the lips. Now see how I apply dark red lipstick. And finally, on the main part of lips, I apply bright red lipstick.